That time again. Yeah, part 2, whenever this is going up. Filmed on October the 28th for full clarification. Enjoying my Fanta with ice. And as promised, the rest of the menu that is, from what I can tell, new. First up, on the ice cream front, because it will go melty way too soon. This is the M&M's Halloween version. They just put it in the same thing, so I'm just turning it so it says the M&M's. Because it says Twix on the other side, but we've already had that one. So let's see what's going on here. As I feared. It is ice cream with crunchy M&M's and nothing else. Don't get me wrong, the ice cream's still good. It's just after the Twix biscuit with the caramel blended in, but was toffee apple flavour caramel. That was really good. M&M's I'm not that much of a fan of, because that's no different really to when they have the Smarties ones. It's just a slightly different type of chocolate. Anyway, now to the main event, the big one. Quite literally. The Philly cheesesteak, which isn't even, blimey. You'd have thought, considering you open it that way, you put it. Is that a printing error? Like, so it's definitely a different brioche bun, and it is sort of like a double cheeseburger style. Got a fair bit of cheese. What's the best angle? Probably here. It is a slightly different cheese. I'll give it that. You know, compared to the other cheese that you get in the regular ones, there is something different that's there. It might be the sauce, because you can tell from the colour. I think that's the regular cheese that you do get, but I think it's the cheese sauce that's actually in it, and is partially in the box here. It tastes different. It's okay. I don't know if it's worth the premium price though. Yeah. I shouldn't say it's okay, it is good. It's just... Let me quickly see what actual cheese this is. If it will let me. Because it seems like there's that much cheese sauce in this. Oh, it is a cheddar cheese sauce. But tastes nothing like the processed slices. Which is interesting. But I certainly feel... I think there's that much cheese sauce that if there are pickles / gherkins in it, they're not showing up as flavour. Which is a shame. It's good, but not as good as I was hoping it was going to be. So, I think, actually, as it turned out, I did the right thing, I thought, last week. The barbecue steakhouse variant of the McCrispy or McSpicy was very good, and the toffee apple Twix McFlurry was very good, and the toffee apple donut was extremely good. So those are my 3 recommendations, I would say, out of a lot of them. In terms of the rest of it, that's an interesting... I'd say this was good, but not as great as I was thinking. I have to say that the McFlurry, the M&M's McFlurry is just standard. I don't know what's Halloween about it. To be fair, there doesn't seem to be anything Halloween about it at all. And the toffee apple pie was rather disappointing. So a mixed bag, you know. 3 excellent, 1 good, 1 standard, and 1 not so good. But that's your lot from me. Check out all the other content here on the channel, be it my other snack stashes or gaming content. You know, Binding of Isaac daily, curated daily runs. At least that's what I'm trying to go on, at least at the minute. I'm sorting out my new computer, hopefully, in the next few weeks. You've also got Owen Sip and Snacks, Voice of Liberty content, Halloween Horror Nights stuff, and AJ's movie reviews versus all the other series that he's got going on, along with our Q&A sessions, which will be coming back in a few weeks, and the Popcast Movie Club stuff, as we've just wrapped up our Halloween set of features. So catch up on them. If you'd be so kind, give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more content either from me or from the other 2, the 3, the other members of the team. And ring the bell to stay notified of when our videos do go up or go public and whatever. So with that, that is all for me for this one. I hope to see you on the next one.